This YouTube channel has gained more than 37,000 subscribers, with only 35 videos. What's even crazier is that they got monetized with their very first upload, which pulled in over 1.1 million views, and that was just the beginning. They also have a video with 358,000 views, and another sitting at more than 225,000 views. Almost every other video on this channel is pulling in hundreds of thousands of views. That's insane, considering the channel only started 2 months ago. I know you're probably wondering what they're doing. The truth is, they're simply creating explainer videos, historical content that tells unusual or forgotten stories in a way that keeps people hooked. And for anyone who's curious about monetization, the channel is fully monetized. If you want to check for yourself, install the free Chrome extension called YouTube Monetization Checker. Once it's installed, refresh the channel page, click the icon, and hit Check this channel. Wait a few seconds. You'll see whether it's monetized or not. As you can see here, this channel is completely monetized. So really, nothing is stopping you from starting your own channel right now. The best part about this niche is that the videos are very easy to make. You don't need expensive gear or to show your face. All you need is some research, a simple voiceover, and visuals. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, step by step. We'll start with how to find viral ideas, then how to write scripts that keep people watching. After that, how to create your own narration, and finally, how to edit the video so it looks clean, professional, and ready to upload. To make things easier, I've prepared a Google document that contains all the prompts and resources you'll need. You can find the link inside my Telegram channel. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. It really helps. Now, before we dive into the full tutorial, let me quickly show you a short demo I made using the exact same strategy you're about to learn.
Imagine walking into a medieval courtroom and seeing a dead body sitting on the throne. Not a wax figure, not a prop, a real rotting corpse. This was the infamous Cadaver Synod of 897, one of the most disturbing trials in history. Pope Stephen VI ordered the body of his predecessor, Pope Formosus, dug up. The corpse was dressed in full papal robes, crown and all, to stand trial like it was alive.
Let me show you the exact method I use to create a YouTube channel that can go viral. The first thing you need is a trending video topic, and here's how to find it. Just visit a successful channel in your niche, click on popular videos, and pick one that's already proven to perform. Then, copy the link. Next, head over to NoteGPT. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up quickly using the link in the description. Once you're in, click Try Free Now and choose the YouTube transcription option. Paste the video link and hit transcribe. In a few seconds, you'll have the full script of the video. To clean up the transcript, copy it without timestamps using the copy icon. This gives you a clean, readable script we can work with. Now open a Google Doc and paste the transcript there. We're going to use this text to train ChatGPT on what kind of content performs best in your niche. Next, open ChatGPT 5. Copy the first prompt provided in the Google Doc linked in the video description or Telegram group. Paste it into ChatGPT and add the transcript on the ChatGPT, followed by the transcript you just collected. This prompt teaches the AI to study the script and understand why that video went viral. It'll then give you 10 brand new viral video ideas tailored to your niche. Pick one of the ideas that stands out. Now it's time to generate your own script. Copy the second prompt from the Google Doc and paste it into ChatGPT. Replace the placeholder topic with your selected idea. For example, the Pope who put a corpse on trial. Click Run and let the AI do its magic. In just moments, you'll have a full script crafted to be engaging, emotional, and viral worthy. Once the script is ready, copy it into a new Google Doc and take a few minutes to read through. Make any edits needed to make it feel more authentic to your style or audience. Now we'll turn the script into a voiceover. Open 11 Labs. The free version works perfectly. Click on Text-to-Speech, then choose More Voices. Since this is a historical style video, pick a voice that sounds thoughtful and calm. You can test a few to see which one fits your tone best. Paste your script into the text box. Make sure you remove the timestamp from the script now. Adjust the settings for clarity and emotion if needed, then click Generate. Once your voiceover is ready, preview it, and if you're happy with it, just click Download. Next, we'll create visuals to match your narration. Go back to ChatGPT and paste the final prompt from the Google Doc. Add your script underneath it and click Generate. ChatGPT will break the script into scenes and give you 2 AI image prompts per scene. Now create the image and paste the prompt to ImageFX. This is where you'll turn those text prompts into stunning visuals. Paste the prompt under Image Description. Choose the right ratio, 16:9 for long-form videos, and click Generate. Repeat this for each scene until you have all the visuals you need. If ImageFX isn't loading properly, try using a VPN or switching to a different tool. Once all your visuals are ready, bring everything together in your favorite editing software. We'll be using CapCut for this part of the process, but of course, you can use any video editing software you like. The first thing to do is import all your files into CapCut, your voiceover and the visuals you just generated. Drag the voiceover into the timeline first, because it will guide the rest of your editing. I downloaded 2 images for each scene, and now I'm adding them into the timeline one by one. It's very important to listen to the voiceover while you do this, so you can match each image perfectly with the narration. Now, instead of leaving the visuals static, we want to add movement to make the video more engaging. The channel we are modeling does this with zoom effects, so we're going to do the same. Click on the first image and add a keyframe. You can scale it up slightly or pan it in any direction. Repeat this for every clip, so each scene has some motion. This keeps the viewer's attention. Once that's done, it's time to add transitions between the scenes. Click on the transition menu at the top and choose one that fits your style. For this tutorial, I'm going with the one called Mix. Drag it into the timeline, reduce the duration to around 3 seconds, and then click Apply to All. Now every clip in the timeline has a smooth transition. The last touch we need to add is background music. You can grab free tracks from CapCut's audio library or download music from Pixabay. Import it into the timeline, then lower the volume so it supports the voiceover instead of competing with it. And that's it, the video is ready. Go ahead and export it, and you'll have a professional-looking video created with simple tools. And I'll show you guys what we were able to create.
Imagine walking into a medieval courtroom and seeing a dead body sitting on the throne. Not a wax figure, not a prop, a real rotting corpse. This was the infamous Cadaver Synod of 897, one of the most disturbing trials in history. Pope Stephen VI ordered the body of his predecessor, Pope Formosus, dug up. The corpse was dressed in full papal robes, crown and all, to stand trial like it was alive.
If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more content. I'll see you in the next one.